The DJI Mini 5 Pro isn't just another model in DJI's lineup. It represents a significant evolution in compact drone technology. As the drone market expands, the demand for high-quality, portable aerial solutions is on the rise. The Mini 5 Pro is set to redefine what consumers can expect from compact drones, blending advanced features with user-friendly operation. Recent leaks and insider information have created a buzz around its capabilities, especially among hobbyists and professional drone operators. One of the most talked about aspects of the DJI Mini 5 Pro is its camera system. Early leaks suggest that DJI has made significant advancements in sensor technology, possibly incorporating a larger CMOS sensor. The Mini 5 Pro is rumored to feature a high-resolution 48-megapixel lens. This upgrade promises to provide exceptionally detailed images, allowing for greater flexibility in post-production. This drone is poised to offer 4K video recording at an impressive 60 frames per second. This capability enables creators to achieve cinematic footage, making it suitable for both personal and professional projects. The Mini 5 Pro may feature an advanced hybrid stabilization system, combining both electronic and mechanical stabilization techniques. Early leaks suggest the inclusion of reinforced propeller arms, enhancing the drone's wind resistance and overall durability. The Mini 5 Pro will likely incorporate lightweight materials that optimize flight performance, contributing to a more reliable flight experience without compromising portability. One of the standout features expected in the Mini 5 Pro is an improved return-to-home functionality. Enhanced GPS tracking will ensure that the drone can accurately return to its takeoff point, even in challenging environments. As the excitement builds, many industry experts speculate that the DJI Mini 5 Pro may launch at a slightly higher price point compared to its predecessor, the Mini 3 Pro. Given the rumored upgrades in imaging capabilities, battery life, and navigation technology, this price increase appears justified. With its advanced features, the Mini 5 Pro could position itself as a serious competitor to larger, more expensive drones in DJI's lineup. As we await official announcements from DJI, the DJI Mini 5 Pro continues to generate excitement within the drone community. If the final product lives up to the extensive leaks and rumors, it could set new benchmarks for compact drones. This drone is poised to become a must-have for anyone serious about aerial cinematography in 2024.